Welcome to the new video. Today we study chapter number 2 once more to the lake, exercise 2 and 5. Exercise number 2, which is MCQs. MCQs number 1. The writer in the essay once more to the lake is accompanied by his dash. Option A brother, option B son, option C wife, option D pet. Right option is son, B. Number 2. In the beginning of the Once More to the Lake, the writer characterizes himself as option A. Lake waterman, option B. Pond waterman, option C. Salt waterman, option D. Ordinary man. Right option D. Ordinary man. Number 3. The writer has referred the word placidity in the context of A. Peacefulness, B. Calmness, C. Loneliness, D. Idleness. Right option B. Calmness. Number 4. The dash word was tapping on the roof of the camp of writer. Number A. Mosquito, B. Swan, C. Squirrel, D. Mouse. Right option is squirrel यानी कि गिलहरी. 5. The writer felt in the end of the essay dash A. The fear of storm, B. The danger of life, C. Happy, D. The loneliness. Right option C. Happy. Number 6. Cows dash cows 2 fish before lunch. A. Son, B. Father, C. Both son and father, D. Spinner. Right option C. Both son and father. Number 7. The writer revisited the lake with his son in dash season. A. Summer, B. Winter, C. Autumn, D. Spring. Right option A. Summer. The writer's son has been dash while traveling by train. A. Weeds, B. Lily pads, C. Sheltered bay, D. Wet woods. Right option B. Lily pads. Number 9. The writer used to visit Lake Dash. A. In New York, B. In Maine, C. Near his farmhouse, D. In his school. Right option in Maine. Number 10. For dash, the writer used to go to the lake. A. Fishing, B. Seeing waves, C. Enjoying cool water, D. Enjoying swimming. Right option fishing. Now move towards on exercise number 5, which is question answers. Question number 1. Why does writer take a vacation at this particular lake? Answer. The writer takes a vacation at this particular lake in order to forget the hard realities of life. The calmness of the natural lake provides him comfort, and his past memories are associated with it. He wants his son to visit and enjoy the beauty of lake. Question number 2. How has a lake changed since he was a boy? Answer. The lake has changed so much since he was a boy. The canoe he used to enjoy had now been converted into motor boats, which produce irritable sound. In his past, few families used to visit the lake, but now more people from far will come there. Question number 3. What contrast does the writer make between the sea and the lake? Answer. The contrast writer make between sea and the lake is the stirred water. The sea water can easily be stirred, while the lake water cannot be stirred. The lake is constant and trustworthy body of water. Question number 4. Why does writer repeatedly call the lake as a wide lake? Answer. The writer repeatedly called the lake as the wild lake in order to emphasize the cottages surrounded it. Men not only enjoy the calmness nature of the lake, but also their cottages to live in the peaceful atmosphere of the lake, which is not wild. Question number 5. Why is the arriving at the lake less exciting now than in the past? Answer. The experience of revisiting the lake was less exciting for the author. Firstly, the author is not much energetic due to age difference. Secondly, the noise pollution has also spoiled the natural beauty of lake. Thirdly, the lake was overcrowded with pupils. It was no more as peaceful as it was before. Question number 6. How are the boat motors different in the present situation? Answer. In past, motor boat have indoor engines, but in present situation, motor boats have outdoor engines, which produce irritable and unpleasant noise, which destroy the quiet atmosphere of the place. Question number 7. The writer calls a lake as a holy spot. How does he further develop this idea? Answer. The author describes a lake as a holy spot because it provides him peace. He further develops it by explaining it more that it makes him forget the worldly worries and take him to his beautiful past. It reminds him of his beautiful childhood. Now, question number 8. What kind of sensation persisted and grew in the mind of the writer? Answer. While spending time at the lake, the writer feels dual existence of himself. He finds himself in his son and himself as his father. He is at the same time his father in imagination and his son father in reality. Such persistent sensation grew in the mind of the writer. Question number 9. What is the central idea of the text? Answer. When the writer was a child, he came to the lake Mane with his father to spend his summer holidays. And now writer grow up and come to the Mane lake with his son and think about his past when he was a child. He find his dual existence in his son and in reality his father. Thanks for watching. If this video can help you, so kindly like, comment, share and subscribe.